Racing just is started. We by will survive. Break quickly restart. Chance and your hard way. Sorry outside third. Mama's favorite running by the rail now is reality show. Mama's love while Trojan Knight is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have I will survive by about 2 lengths. Chance and Dior in second. Reality show is down in third. Then followed over by Mama's favorite. Mama's love is sorry outside. Hard way while Trojan Knight is still racing in last. Back to the leader. We have I will survive, maintaining a length and a half lead. And in second is Chance and Dior. Reality show is down in third. Mama's favorite. Then here comes Hardway. Now moving up to take fifth. Mama's love comes next while Trojan Knight is still racing in last. And Diana entering the home stretch where I will survive, maintaining a length and a half lead. Chance and Dior in second. Mama's favorite is down on the inside. Reality show, Hardway sorry outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have I will survive when on the outside. Chance and Dior, Hardway, and finally I will survive. Then comes number 4, Chance and Dior, Hardway, Mama's favorite and reality show.